And the one in the middle, there's a one here. Oh, wow.
Unless we drop the ball, I gotta screw them in.
Oh.
So this go in the other side.
So, but then I'm gonna do 32 screws, right?
Yes. What is that picture?
So it goes like, I know we got a hammer.
And
Where did I put the paper? Oh, here it is. So we're gonna do it in order.
let's do this first. Bring them out. Like this.
So we're gonna do the, what goes on the inside?
Oh.
None?
Ah, okay.
Something goes on the inside.
Yeah, the handle.
So, paano maglaro kayo sa gilid kayo? Ganyan?
No. But we gotta pound the handle on it. Like, something goes right here. It's more of those,
This
right?
one's.
So, that's...
So I gotta get the 32 screws. Let me get these screws out of here before we do the screws here.
Here's the screws here. Put it
What do I
here.
have in my hand?
Uy, Mikay, kumusta?
Do we need one?
Lahat ata lalagyan.
Let me see something.
You know, so.
Baka to maliliit na to, Dong.
Ay, oo nga pala.
May maliliit.
So I don't want to screw anything down until we're ready.
Ito. Ano tong mga maliliit na to?
Get later.
Itong maliliit na to.
Yan, yung may ano, ito yan. Yung may ano dito.
I think.
Watch your toes.
It
No,
It's not.
No, these I think we have to put on before we do that. We have to take them back out again.
What?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many?
Here you go.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait.
So where do these guys go? Before we see.
Where did we go? Okay, so
Ay, oo. Ox lang ni Kay. Oo nga, no, sabi ko bakit wala ka. Oo.
I think they go, I think you're right.
Oo nga, wala ka kapon. And then,
you have to put the black thing first. And
Right,
then,
the black thing.
And then that one, and then the handle.
Does this one go with the handle?
Yes, I think so.
That's fine.
Oh, wait.
So I know these ones, Rochelle, would go here, correct?
oo, your telephone.
Oh, yes.
I think it. You can.
Oh yeah, your wooden come.
This jet. Yes.
Eh, asan ka? Sa bahay ka lang ba, Mikay? O nagtatrabaho ka pa dun sa mall? Indian Angel Vlog, hello. Saan ka, Mikay? Sa mall? Work ka pa o hindi na? So, ganun, paano maglaro?
Ganun.
Dito, harapan dyan?
Kung nasa
Dito, ganyan, harapan. Ah, okay, okay. Kala ko dito. Oo. Hindi kasi magkaiba yung sa ano eh. Yung sa laruan niya. Ah, okay, okay. Pero regular ka dyan?